Are you tired of sweating in your Jeep when the AC just won't cool? You're not alone. Let's get to the bottom of it. First up, check your AC settings. Sometimes it's as simple as the dial set to heat instead of cool. Switch it and see if cold air comes out. Next, low refrigerant is a common villain. If your air blows weak or only slightly cool, your system might be low on the stuff that actually cools the air. This usually means there's a small leak somewhere. If you hear strange noises, the AC compressor could be the problem. This part is like the heart of your system. It pumps refrigerant. If it fails, you'll only get hot air. Another simple fix, check your cabin air filter. A clogged filter can block airflow, making it feel like your AC's not working at all. And finally, don't forget blown fuses or faulty wiring. If your AC won't even turn on, this could be the cause. So, before you panic, check these basics. Sometimes it's a quick fix, and you're back to cool comfort in no time. Stay cool out there.